Dear students, today I will discuss about the root mean square or virtual value of AC. This is of chapter 7 plus 12. Root mean square or virtual value of AC. What does it mean? Root mean square or virtual value of AC is that steady current which when passed through a resistance for a time will produce the same amount of heat as is done by the AC when it passed through the same resistance for the same time. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? एक सर्किट चूज किया, सर्किट में एक रेजिस्टेंस है, उस सर्किट में एसी करंट पास किया फॉर एनी टाइम, तो थ्रू द रेजिस्टेंस व्हेन करंट पास इट विल प्रोड्यूस हीट विल प्रोड्यूस्ड. तो सेम सर्किट में सेम हीट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए सेम टाइम में जितना स्टेडी करंट पास करना है, स्टेडी करंट मीन्स जो जिसके वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, जितना स्टेडी करंट पास करना है, दिस अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेडी करंट इज कॉल्ड द रूट मीन स्क्वायर और आरएमएस वैल्यू ऑफ एसी. एक सर्किट चूज करना है, सपोज एक सर्किट, इसमें रेजिस्टेंस है, तो एक बैटरी है, स्विच है, तो सपोज इसमें एसी पास किया, तो when AC current pass through this resistance, heat will produce, suppose this amount of heat is H. सेम सर्किट में सेम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट H प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए यहाँ पे जितना स्टेडी करंट पास करना है फॉर द सेम टाइम, दिस अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेडी करंट इज कॉल्ड द RMS value of AC. RMS value of AC. Clear? It is denoted by I RMS or I V virtual. This denote. Now we want to find its expression. What is the expression for root mean square value of current? Now see. The instantaneous value of current is I equal to I naught sin omega t. The instantaneous value of current is I equal to I naught sin omega t. This demonstrates with time current is changing. So if for small time dt current is passed, then what will be the heat produced? Small amount heat produced. For small time dt, the heat produced will be small amount. So dH, heat, expression for heat is H equal to I square RT. I square RT. So this will be I square R dt, because time is dt. Now what is the value of I? I is this. So put here I naught sin omega t dt. So what is this? I naught square sin square omega t dt. this is dH. So what is the total heat produced for half time period? So for half time period total heat produced H equal to integration 0 to T by 2 I naught square sin square omega t dt. I naught square is constant, so it is coming out. I naught square is coming out, and you check this by trigonometric formula. Sin square 1 minus cos twice omega t by, this is the formula, and then dt equal to I naught square, this 2 is taken out, this 2 is taken out, so in integration 0 to T by 2 dt, and another is integration 0 to T by 2 cos twice omega t dt. Now this is I naught square by 2, its integration is t, its integration is t, 0 to T by 2, and its integration is 0. How it is 0 I am explaining here, you see. Now it is coming I naught by 2 T by 2 minus 0. So it is coming I naught square T by 4. Clear? Now how it is 0? You see. Integration 0 to T by 2 cos twice omega t dt equal to cos, in integration of cos means sine, so this is sine twice omega t by 2 omega 0 to T by 2. So 1 by 2 omega taken out, and then upper limit sine twice omega t by 2 minus sine 0. 1 by 2 omega, 2 to cancel, sine omega means 2 pi by t, 2 pi by t into t, sine 0 0, sine 2 pi means 0, so 1 by 2 omega to 0 equal to 0. Yeah, this. Now if IV or IRMS is the virtual value of AC, then A is equal to IV square I square RT RT by 2 for half time period. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get, you see, this is also expression for heat, this is also expression for heat. So this equal to this. So IV square R T by 2 equal to I naught square T by 4. T cancel 1, 2. This R is omitted. So I naught square I square R. There is a R. There is an R. There is an R. 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 So there is an R. R. T. So R cancel. So we are getting IV square equal to I naught square by 2. So IV equal to I naught by root 2. This is the expression. First, what we have done? Instantaneous value of AC. Then, for small time dt, what is the heat produced? This. Then we have integrated both sides. After integration, we are getting this. This is equal to I naught square R T by 4. Now you see, this term is 0. It is seen. It is shown here. How it is 0. Now if IV is the virtual value of AC, then what is the heat produced? Heat equal to I square RT formula. So IV square R, time is half time period, so T by 2. So this is also heat, this is also heat. So both are equal. And by calculation we are getting IV equal to, by cancellation we are getting IV equal to I naught by root 2. If you put the value of root 2, then it will be 0.707 I naught IV. Okay, bye.